All right, we've been on quite a journey together, strategically building a modern brokerage right from the ground up. Today, we're putting in that final, absolutely crucial piece to the puzzle, the one that's going to define your career for the next decade. This is your ultimate insurance policy in a world that's changing faster than ever. So let's dive right in.
You know, across this whole series, we haven't just been talking about abstract ideas. No, we've been in the trenches, building an operational fortress, one solid piece at a time. A fortress that's designed to help you thrive, no matter what the market throws at you. And the best part, you've already put the most important assets in place.
Just think about it. We fixed your time with the digital clone. Then we unlocked all that hidden inventory with the Trojan horse strategy. We completely solved the recruiting headache by turning your firm into a magnet for top talent. And we protected your fees by showing you how to dominate a niche and command your true value. You've built an incredibly powerful modern brokerage.
But there's one last storm brewing on the horizon. It's the huge elephant in the room that every single broker is whispering about, but honestly, very few are actually prepared for. Artificial intelligence.
You see the headlines everywhere, right? ChatGPT, automated underwriting, predictive analytics, it's all happening. So the question isn't, will AI change real estate anymore? The real question, the one that keeps us all up at night, is, will AI replace me?
To get to the bottom of that, we have to be brutally honest with ourselves about where our value really came from in the first place. For the last 30 years, the entire brokerage model was propped up by one single advantage, and folks, that advantage is now gone.
For decades, your value was all about something called information asymmetry. It's a simple concept, really. You had the data, and the client didn't. You knew the comps, you knew the zoning laws, you heard the off-market whispers. You were the gatekeeper of information, and that is what clients paid you for.
Well, that era's over, and I don't mean it's dying or fading away. I mean it is dead. Done. Technology has completely leveled the playing field for good. As Edwin Duterte over at Voxel Micro Video Labs puts it, data is rapidly just becoming a commodity. It's free, it's instant, and it's available to everyone. So if your main value prop is that you can run a CoStar report or pull some comps, you are already obsolete. I mean, an algorithm can find the building, underwrite the rent roll, and draft the LOI way faster and cheaper than any human ever could. So what's left for us?
Well, the answer is everything the machine can't do. See, as data becomes a commodity, the value of those uniquely human skills, it skyrockets. This is what we call the human premium.
Look, this right here lays out the new division of labor. Let AI handle all the commodity stuff, the comps, the data analysis, the first drafts of contracts. That frees you up to completely dominate where you are irreplaceable, building empathy, earning trust, and executing masterful, nuanced negotiations. The future isn't about who has the data. It's about who the client trusts to actually interpret it.
I mean, just think about it for a second. An AI cannot look a distressed seller in the eye and truly empathize with what they're going through. It can't navigate the tricky person-to-person politics of a local San Pedro zoning council meeting. An algorithm can't crack a joke to diffuse a tense negotiation or build the kind of genuine, rock-solid trust that gets a complicated deal across the finish line.
So here's the bottom line, the most crucial point. Your entire job description is changing. You're not a data gatekeeper anymore. You are becoming a trusted advisor. And there is only one way to broadcast that trust at scale in today's world. And this, right here, is where everything we've been building towards finally clicks into place. Your shield against automation isn't some new piece of software. It's a camera. And more specifically, it's high-fidelity professional video. We are walking straight into an age of AI deepfakes and automated avatars. In that kind of world, people develop a really sharp radar for what's real. A grainy Zoom call or a shaky iPhone video, it just feels disposable, generic, and, well, kind of like something a bot could fake. But as the founders of Donnell and Experience argue, high-fidelity video, we're talking 4K cameras, professional lighting, crystal clear audio, that signals undeniable reality.
It is your proof of humanity. It proves you are a real expert taking real time to share real valuable intuition. In a world that's about to be flooded with artificial content, this level of quality becomes the ultimate signal of authenticity and expertise. It's your insurance policy.
Okay, so let's pull it all together. This whole series, it was never about just getting likes on social media. This was about operational survival and total market dominance. Here is the complete playbook.
First, we stopped cold calling, and we started broadcasting to save your time. Second, we stopped selling and started interviewing to unlock all that hidden inventory.
Third, we stopped begging for talent and started magnetizing the best recruits to you. Fourth, we stopped being generalists and started dominating a niche to protect your fees. And today, right now, we stop fearing AI and we start leveraging our greatest asset, our own humanity.
The tools we use in our trade are fundamentally changing. The old phone and the Rolodex are being replaced by the camera and the microphone. An algorithm can't look a client in the eye and build genuine trust. So the only question left for you is this: how are you going to prove to the entire market at scale that you can?